Hello cuties, today we are gonna have lots of fun cooking food for our friends in this amazing toy kitchen. So to start, let's come with me and see which veggies do we have in our kitchen garden. Here is the Mr. Mo, the gardener, first asked for his permission.
Oh yes, you can take veggies from my garden.
Oh, thank you Mr. Mo. Let's see which vegetables we are gonna find here. Wow, it's a bright orange crunchy carrot. Wow, it looks so delicious. Let's put it in our cart. Let's go and find another veggies. Pull. Oh wow, it's a white radish and it's really cool. We got a super shiny radish. Let's put it in our cart. See friends, one more vegetable is left here. Let's give it a big super duper pull. It looks so heavy. Pull. Wow, it's a sweet potato. Perfect for our recipe. Now head back to our kitchen. But wait, don't forget to wash them. In this sink, first add some bubbly balls to give our veggies a nice clean bath.
Hey friends, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Let's add some more balls. All done. Now let's give our veggies a perfect bubbly wash. Wash them clean so no dirt will remain. Wow, so nice. It's so much fun to give our veggies a nice bubbly wash. Wow, it looks so clean. It's time for radish. Rub. Wow, it's so much fun. Now let's give it a wash. Wash. Wow. See, here we have shiny clean veggies. Let's cut them into 2 pieces. Sweet potato, radish, and carrot. Wow, our veggies are ready. So first let's turn on the gas stove and transfer our pan here. Make sure the flame should be at moderate heat because we need some more veggies to give our soup a nice flavor. Let's check it in the fridge. What veggies do we have here? Oh yeah, exactly. We need a tomato, some garlics, red chili and green peppers. Wow, these veggies are perfect to enhance the flavor of our soup. But don't forget to crush them. See kids, here we have a funny pounder with this wonderful pestle to crush our veggies. Let's add our veggies and grind them into a smooth paste. Perfect! We got some nice crushed veggies. Let's go and add them to our soup. Now we need some water to add in. Let's fill our mug and slowly pour it into our soup. While the soup simmers, let's prepare some seafood. Oh wow, here we have a bright orange crab. Let's wash it before the marination. Wow, give it a nice bubbly wash. Rub and wash it clean. Yay! Wow, our shiny crab is ready now. Let's get some sauce for marination. Evenly apply it all over the crab. Now it's ready to bake. Wow, let's put it in our oven. While the crab is roasting, let's prepare an egg for our friends. Place a pan on the stove. Take an egg, break it, put it in the pan. Wow, and yummy half fry is ready now. Let's transfer into a plate. Wow, it looks so delicious. But wait, we can't forget to prepare some desserts for our friends. Here we have a magic waffle maker. Let's add in here some mixture to prepare delicious waffles. Pour some mixture. Close it and let it cook. Now it's time to check our soup. Oh wow, it's ready. Now let's turn off the gas stove. Huh? Who's there? Wow, some fresh veggies have arrived directly from the garden. Wow, we got so many colorful veggies here. Let's cut them and store them for later use. This shiny green veggie is a bell pepper, or we can also call capsicum. This is a cabbage. Let's cut it into 2 pieces. Wow, we got nice pieces of cabbage. Here we have orange pumpkin. Wow, let's cut it into the 2 pieces and put it into the Halloween pumpkin. Yay! Wow, this is a red bell pepper or red capsicum. Wow, we got 2 nice pieces. This is a purple onion. Let's go and check is our crab is ready. Oh wow, it's all done. Let it cool and go check our waffles. Wow, they look perfect and delicious. Let's transfer them into the plates. Wow, super delicious waffles are ready for our friends. Now we are gonna prepare some fruit salads. Here we have strawberries and bananas. Let's transfer them into a bowl and give them a good mix. Mix. Wow, our colorful fruit salad is ready now. It's time to cut this crab into 2 pieces. Wow, it looks so delicious. Wow, it's time to serve yummy food to our friends. Until the friends are enjoying their yummy foods, let's go back to our kitchen and cut the leftover veggies. Here we have 2 pieces of onion, one we are gonna use now and one we will save for later. Let's peel this green veggie and see what's inside. Wow, it's a sweet corn. It's so yummy and delicious. This one is a broccoli. It looks like a tree. Oh yeah, that's right. Broccoli looks like a tree. Hey. This one is a cabbage. Let's cut it into 2 pieces. Yay! And here we have a purple shiny eggplant. This is a green pumpkin. Let's cut it into 2 pieces. Wow, we got a nice green piece. Here we have a brown potato, perfect for our recipe.
Thank you, friend, for cooking yummy food for us. We like this food. If you also like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.